Patented design clamps covered with non-conducting rubber, it is safe enough for repeated use. Fits top and side post batteries. Sufficient CCA, copper-coated aluminium. All listed jumper cables with higher copper content than the others without UL. All our parameters are the same as UL report, AU5253. 10GA jumper cable not only can meet your requirement of jump starting a dead or weak battery, but affordable. Ideal for use with small size cars. Twice grip design for better conductivity and tension. TPR material of cable, low temperature immunity, 25C 13F. It will work well in the extreme environment. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product for the price. I've been unlucky enough to have to use these a couple times, but they actually work pretty well. I was skeptical given the price, but I choose the thicker wire option and I have no complaints.